Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing a quick review and unboxing video of the F1 laptop screen extender. This is a great addition for anybody who is either working in an office or working from home. So first we're going to open it up and see what the contents are inside. This outer layer, we can just take this straight off and slide the box out. So inside should be pretty straightforward. After we get the top off here, you'll have an extra layer of protective foam. We can just take this out as well. So first we'll see the actual screen extender. It comes with a nice leather case with a strap on the top, so it's easily portable, can be carried around with you. Next we have our manual and installation guide here, as you can see. And then it'll also come with 3 different cables. So you'll have your regular Type-C, then your USB to Type-C, and then lastly your HDMI. So next we're going to open up our carrying case and get our monitor extender out. So after we remove the Velcro, this will just slide out from the top. Next we will lift up our brace so we can pull out our monitor. So it's quite easy. You just need to, I suggest you kind of push it in a little bit from the top, press it once, and then the monitor will just slide out. So we'll put this here for now. So what's great about this extender, it actually has a base here that you can put your laptop on, and then the screen extender will go up here, and it can be rotated 360 degrees, however you like it. The actual screen extender itself is 14 inches and 1080p, so it's great for anybody, like I said, who is working from home. You want to have dual monitors so you can work more efficiently, or if you're someone like me who shamelessly watches Netflix at the same time when I'm working, it's great for all types of situations. So on the back of the base, there's actually 2 different tabs that we can open to change the height. So there's the small tabs and then the larger tabs that we can also lift up. So after setting those, if your laptop is too large, there's actually additional tabs here on the bottom to provide support. And then for laptops 12 to 17 inches, you can actually adjust the size of the base as well. So next we'll go ahead and put our laptop on here, and then we'll install our screen. So one very convenient part about this screen itself, you actually don't need to install any additional software. So for Mac, OS, DeX, and Switch, long as you just plug the cables in, it'll work right away. So no additional software needs to be downloaded. And then my favorite thing personally about this is that the screen can actually be rotated 360 degrees all around to suit your needs. So next we're going to be connecting our laptop to our screen extender. So depending on what kind of port you have on your laptop will determine which cord you actually use. So today I'm using a MacBook. In this scenario, I'll just use a Type-C to connect my MacBook directly to the screen. If your computer does not have a Type-C, you'll have to use 2 cables. So in the first cable, you'll use your HDMI. This will allow your computer to display on your screen extender, and then to power the screen, you will use this USB to Type-C. So next we're going to be looking at the 3 different types of modes that are available on the screen extender. So we will have mirrored, extended, and portrait. So next we're going to connect our laptop to the screen extender. And next we'll make sure our USB Type-C is plugged into the screen. So here you can see currently that we're in extended mode. Personally, for work, I like to use this the best just because having dual monitors really increases your work efficiency. So now we can see that we're currently in mirrored mode. This is quite helpful if you're in a meeting or if you have someone sitting on the opposite side of you, they can basically share your screen. So we can see now that our monitor is extended on portrait mode. This is useful for a couple different reasons. If you're looking at PowerPoints for work, you're reading articles online, sometimes I'll even keep my Spotify over here for listening to music. So if you need to adjust the brightness or the contrast of your monitor, just simply press the button on the side of the screen and it'll open up, and you can see here you can make some easy adjustments. The screen extender also has an additional speaker here on the bottom that you can use as well. So to remove the screen extender, it's very easy. Just lift up and pull out. So lastly, we'll take our screen and flip it over. And after we slide it in place, make sure to press it down so it clicks. Then we'll take our brace